Welcome to Yashuvan's kitchen. Today we will go through crab curry recipe. Ingredients required: crabs, onions, green chilies, salt, curry leaves, oil, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, tamarind, fenugreek seeds, turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder and coriander powder. Let's start by soaking tamarind in some water and set it aside. Now let's look at the crabs. Some general information about crabs. There are two types of crabs, male and female. The one with a V-shape, as you can see there, is a male crab. And the one with a wider V-shape or a U-shaped, as you can see, is a female crab. Let's look at the difference when you put them side by side. Most people believe that female crabs taste better than the male crabs. Now, cutting crabs is very simple. You twist the claws and the legs of the crabs and they come apart. Once you've dislodged all the legs and the claws, now apply some force to pull the shell apart from the meat. The shell should come off easily. Throw away the shell and clean the crab from unwanted waste. After you've cleaned the crab, cut it into decent sized pieces. This is a medium sized crab, so I just cut them into 2 pieces. If you have a bigger crab, feel free to cut them into 3 or 4 pieces as you see fit. Remove any waste as you cut the crab into small pieces. Cut the crab legs into smaller pieces and the meatless part, you can check them away. As I cut the legs, I gently crack the hard part so that the meat inside the hard part can absorb all the spices. Whilst most people believe female crabs taste better than the male crabs, I could personally never tell the difference after they are cooked. After you finish cutting through all the crabs, make sure to wash them properly and set them aside. Let's start cooking by heating some oil in a heavy bottom pan. Add fenugreek seeds and fry them a bit. Then add some chopped onions and green chilies and saute them. Add some salt, curry leaves and give a mix. When onions are sauteed, add some ginger garlic paste. Mix well and now add the cut and cleaned crabs to the pan. Add 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Adjust salt if required. Turmeric powder. Give a good mix. Place the lid and let the crab cook for about 10 minutes. While the crab is cooking, let's move on to extracting juice from the soaked tamarind. After you finish extracting the juice, add the tamarind juice to the pan. Add garam masala, cumin powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder. Give a good mix and add some water. Now place the lid and let the crab cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your crab should be cooked. The general rule of thumb is the crab is cooked when the legs turn red in color. Now you add some coriander and your crab should be ready to serve. You can see the crab is well cooked as it comes off the shell easily. Please subscribe to Yashuvan's Kitchen for more video updates and thank you for watching.